What's up, you guys? And in today's video we're going to be unboxing these Apple AirPods. I just got these today and we will see how they stand and look. Now firstly, I just want to announce I do have an Android phone. However, there will be a video of how I have connected these to my Android device and how I use them. Now first I'm going to unseal this because I only have one hand. Alright, now since that is done and out of the way, these are the Apple AirPods. They're genuine. You've got the Apple logo, AirPods. These are the AirPod II wireless case charging ones. So if we open it, as you can see, designed by Apple in California. And here are the Apple AirPod case itself. And just over here, you have all the instruction booklets. This is pretty much saying what AirPods are, guidelines, warranties, all of that stuff, but I know you're not here for that. I know you are not here for that. So if we come to the piece of resistance, the AirPods. So we take them out of the case and lift up the lid. As you can see, you have a standard, I believe it's Lightning cable charging. I will chuck it up on screen if I'm wrong, but you have it in the box. Move this to the side. Here are the Apple AirPods themselves. They actually look very nice. They're very, very light, very mobile. What to say back here? Designed by Apple in California, assembled in China. And it's actually got a very glossy feel. I've never touched AirPods before, but it's got a nice glossy feel. And we open it. But it's actually pretty easy to open. And here are the Apple AirPods themselves. And if we take them out of their case, this is what they look like. I'm sure you've seen them before. And I want to put them in my ears, see if they're comfortable. They are labeled right and left. And this is what they look like. They're very light for me. Actually, they fit very comfortably. I was very skeptical about buying them because I was like, they look like toothbrushes, right? But now they actually didn't look too bad. They feel comfortable, they fit in my ear nicely. I usually use the Sennheisers. I've done a video on that before and it'll be up here somewhere. But they fit my ears, however, the ear tips, they hurt after a couple of hours. But these, I feel like they're gonna be fine. And they look pretty good. I'm a freaking rich boy. Other than that, this is Brandon from BlazeTech. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video on how to set up the Apple AirPods for your Android device if you have Android. If you have Apple, I'll get to it eventually because I don't own an Apple phone and I'm too poor to have one. Subscribe, like, I'm out. See ya.